What is the first thing a beginner should do when they start lucid dreaming? Before we get into that, I'm just going to say this is an audio only video. There's some game footage in the background for those who want to watch something and are interested in the games. But if you don't want to watch me playing a game, then you can just turn to another tab, continue with whatever you're doing, and listen in the background like a podcast. So anyway, onto the subject itself. What should a lucid dreaming beginner do before anything else? I believe you should start with intention. There are lots of good things that you can do as a beginner. You can work on your dream recall by starting a dream journal. You can start meditating to set up a good foundation to get lucid. You can start practicing a particular easy beginner technique. You can start reading about lucid dreaming and learning more about it, or watching some of my videos, or take a course or whatever. And all of those are great things to do as a beginner, but I think before you do any of those things, the first thing that you need to do is set your intention to lucid dream. And now I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, well, I'm trying to lucid dream, I'm doing this technique or I'm doing that, so obviously I have set the intention to lucid dream. But have you really? You see, there is a difference between trying out the techniques, performing them, seeing what happens, and actually deciding I am going to have a lucid dream tonight. Now, just deciding that you're going to lucid dream tonight doesn't always mean that you will, but actually actively making that decision, I am going to be lucid tonight, can be the difference between a technique succeeding and completely failing. Just going through the motions of any technique is never really the best idea, because it is precisely that intention of getting lucid tonight, not just, some night in the future, but tonight specifically, that can help get you lucid. It's actually one of the reasons why I made that video a while back called How to Lucid Dream Tonight. Even though I think the whole idea of, being able to instantly lucid dream on any particular night is a bit ridiculous, because you can't guarantee it ever. You can't ever say you're going to have a 100% chance of getting lucid. I think you should approach it with that attitude every single night. You should always go in saying, I am going to get lucid tonight. Tonight, not tomorrow, not a week from now, not a month from now, but tonight, right now, I'm going to get lucid and I'm going to perform this technique and it's going to work. By actively making that decision that you are going to succeed in lucid dreaming tonight, something kind of changes. You have to remember that the mindset and the state of mind that you have in your dreams is kind of carried over from what's going on in your mind during the day. So if during the day you set up all of these plans for your lucid dreaming, you're going to do this technique, you're going to meditate, you're going to do some reality checks, you're going to write in your dream journal, you do all of this. That's all well and good, and maybe some of that will carry over, maybe you'll get lucid. But what really makes the big difference is actually having that intention that you are going to succeed and you are going to get lucid tonight. Because all that's really required is for a little fragment of that intention to carry over into your dream state. And then you suddenly think about lucid dreaming while you're in a dream. Or you suddenly feel the desire to lucid dream while you're in a dream. And naturally, when either of those things happens, you're very likely to perform a reality check or spontaneously just realize that you're dreaming right then. So that's my advice to you. Before you do anything else, before you perform techniques, before you improve your dream recall, start with your intention. Make the decision to lucid dream tonight, and make that decision every night when you practice. Don't approach it half-heartedly. Don't just wing the methods and, do them without really thinking about it. Actually decide that you are going to get lucid. Now, if you have made the decision to get lucid, then I can of course recommend that you check out my advanced lucidity course that can help you do just that. The course is broken down into 17 lessons that teach you about all these different aspects of lucid dreaming, from getting lucid to controlling your dreams, and then it challenges you on some of your abilities. Head on over to the link in the top right hand corner or down in the description below to get the course now. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe and enable notifications to keep up to date with my videos. Check my Patreon for some of my exclusive content over there, and if you want to keep watching, pick one of the videos on screen, go watch that, and I'll see you soon. Take care.